Good afternoon, everyone. This is Blue Texas Tornado Scratcher coming back at you. And I have Adrian here and Rufus and Salem, you know, my group. And I got my coins from DJ. It's probably in the P.O. box for a while. I just got them today. You are not lucky, you're blessed. And I did this side. Boom! Baby, let's go. So we're going to try it. Which one should I do first, Adrian?
Yeah.
Okay. Let's do that one first. Oh, I didn't even say what I got. I got Break the Bank. I got 21 and 23. Lucky Super 7, 10. Cash Explosion, 31. And my Bingo, and it's 25. So let's see. This coin here is real light. I like that. DJ Scratcher. Y'all go and subscribe to him if you haven't yet. He has a pretty awesome channel. I'm just telling you. Alright, the calling cards, you can match it here or here or here. But you can't match it here and then here. That won't work. It won't let you do that. Okay, I got a corn, a car, and a roadrunner, and a butterfly. A corn, a car, roadrunner, and butterfly. I don't see none there. I got a corn there. Hang on. I didn't even look up here. Okay. I think that's good. This is going to be fun. Horse, wagon, and Jim, and blue bonnet. Wagon. Horse and Jim. I don't have a horse and Jim. I don't have a horse and Jim. Okay. Do I? I got a blue bonnet, Joe. I was waiting because you wasn't moving. Oh, there's something there. Cardinal, horseshoe, strawberry, and bat. I got my bat here. I hate filling these up first because that's not a good sign. Cardinal, I don't have a cardinal, but I have a strawberry, horseshoe, cardinal, bat, and a strawberry. Okay. No, nothing else there. I'm trying to hurry up on this one. This just takes so long. Soccer ball. Hen. Sunshine. Sun. And a saddle. A hen. Do I have a saddle up here? Yep. No soccer ball. Usually if I get a soccer ball, I'll win. I know this game so much now. It's in a little ship. If I get one more, that means no win. A guitar. A rabbit. Ship, no ship there. And desert. No desert. Okay. Lone Star, cowboy, football, and moonlight. Is that good? Cowboy, Lone Star, moon. What else was it? Football. I thought I had a foot. Okay, I knew I had a football. See, one. This is empty and that's empty. Cactus, robin, cherry, and yeah. Got my cherry there. Got a robin there. Got, where's the cactus there? See, it's 3, 3, 3, nothing there. 3, 3, and 3, nothing there. Okay, no winner. Okay, Cash Explosion. You just match your number with the winning number and you get a bag. You win instant. If you get a 20x, you win 20 times. Let's see what happens. Come on, DJ. Do me some good, boy. I'm gonna use this big one. Alright, we got 10, 15, 21, 32, 33, 17, and 9. We got 19, 28, 30, 7, and 29. I don't have any 29. 40, 31, 13, 16. No, there's a sandwich there. 16, 17, 12, 2, 32, 33, 34. 18, 24, 14, 22, 1, 5, 35, 36, 38, 30, okay, 36, 30, 23, 26, and 11. Nope, nothing on that one. 2 down, 3 more to go. All right. Just get 2 reveal 2 and you win that. Well, that didn't work. You reveal a 7, you win 5 times. You reveal a double 7, you win 25 times. Okay. That's a 6, a 9, 32, 34, and 25. Okay. Yeah, really. Got a 1, got a 26, I got a 25. Got a 22, 40, I don't have no 40s. 36, I don't have no teens either. Okay. And of course it's gonna give me all 40s. Look at her. Another sandwich, 33. Oh, hello there, Salem. How you doing, buddy? You wanna smell the coin or what? $34. That's a 25. I thought it was 35. 49. 19. 46. 38. 39. Uh-oh. That's no good. All right, you just match your winning number on this or get a double sign, you win double. We got 11, we got a 4, we got a 9, we got a 6, we got a 17, and 3. Well, let's just do it this way. See if I can find a double. Nope, no double.
You can
okay.
You can do this.
You just got to get 2 reveal here. 10 and 500. 500 and 20,000. 500 and 1,000. 100 and 500. That didn't work. So I'm gonna say he'll hold it. See? He's holding it. Okay, maybe not. That sees you moving it. 24, is it okay?
Yeah, sure.
24, 59, 63, 21, and 35. 38. If you get green, you get double. If you get green. 3, 9. Okay, let me see what I don't have. I don't have 40s, I don't have teens, I don't have little ones. I only got 20, 30, 50, and 60. Okay. Oh, 63. Okay. Okay, nothing on that bad boy. Let's see if I can find, oh, that's all it is. Wait a minute, guys. 50, 27, 43, 65. So I don't have nothing small. And I don't have no 30s on that one. Nothing small, no 30s. Notice. Not a 27, not a 22. I don't have 30s. I have a 50. It's a lot of one-offs. Okay, one more ticket. Sorry, dude, I just had to move you. Little boy. There he goes. He's inspecting DJ's coins.
Okay.
Son. Okay. You gonna help me? He's looking at you. What's up, Daddy? Don't bite me. And he licks me after he bites me. God, dog. This is gonna be hard. Even though he's comfortable. Can I just move it? I got it like that, eh? We'll just have to move it when I get ready to go do that. Oh, there he goes. Never mind. He gone.
See. Here.
You're gone when you heard that. 10. Let's see. Oh, I got a double. At least it's not a bus. Thank God on that one. Can I go through here? 500, 1,000. 1,500. How funny is that? 100 and 200. 100 and 1,000. I was gonna say if that did that again. Can I do the whole card or do I need to pull it up?
Yeah, I know.
Well, I hope everybody's having a good Sunday so far. It's just bloody hot here. It's 102 today. I went out and did what I had to do and come back in. Can't handle it. I'm a heat stroke victim, so I can't really stand the heat. Alright, let's go on this one. Let's see what we got. We got a 48. We got a 32. We got a 21. We got a 38. And a 7. So I don't have no teens and I don't have no 50s or 60s. 40. 30. No 50s. No little ones. I got only 21. This is gonna go by fast because I don't have half this stuff up here. Anyway. Hey, y'all guys go and hook up with DJ and go hook up with Fancy Nancy too. We need to get her up to 1,000, guys. We gotta push it. Okay. Undo this side too, Adrian.
Yeah.
Okay, 55, 26, 34, 63, and 46. I don't have a 65. I don't have nothing small. Four, 56, 13, and 40. 19, 61, 25, 60. I just want to play these two before they go out. They're fixing to go out. I know they are. We got some new tickets coming in tomorrow, and we got one coming in Tuesday, which I thought was odd. Well, tomorrow is the Texan and the Dallas coming in tomorrow. Okay, Adrian. Just move it down this way. Okay.
Where's it at?
Right there.
Okay.
Let's see what we got. And we got $10. Oh, I got $20 back. That's awesome. Don't move the ticket, Sandra.
I mean,
Okay, I got $20 back on that. That's not bad. I mean, better than losing. I thought for a minute I was going to lose everything. But anyway, y'all hit like and subscribe and hit my bell. I don't know where it's at. I was cleaning yesterday. I put everything up. And y'all leave your comments because I do read your comment. Even the ones that are ugly, I read them. And y'all go over there and see Viper's show today at 3. I don't even know what time it is. What time is it?
it's almost 2.
Oh, it's almost time for a show on my end because it's 2 o'clock when he comes on here, 3 o'clock when he comes over there. But anyway, like I said, y'all hit like and subscribe and hit my bell, and I'll talk to y'all later. Y'all have a blessed day. Peace out.